So hot, you wanna make it as your ringtone. You put 'em high, they put 'em low. The jam is so hot, you wanna make it as your ringtone.
Now, Oregon, Ohio has definitely a message for y'all.
Curly hair, light skin complexion, they call it fur, but let me take you to this path then. Look into my eyes, what do you see? If I was a ringtone, I would go. Hey, I'm not. You gotta go past that. Behind the boom in the clap and pull your mask back. Your points are dropping like the NASDAQ. I was the class act, but don't anticipate the flashback. I'ma speak another language like Rosetta. You sing the blues, but this is more better.
Way better.
My true identity is found in my crisis. Put 'em on high, not low or side.
Alright, got a little message for you guys out there. Tell them the message.
Put 'em up, hey. You put 'em high, they put 'em low. The jam is so hot, you wanna make it as your ringtone. You put 'em high, they put 'em low. The jam is so hot, you wanna make it as your ringtone.
You should believe me. I know what I'm telling you.
Put 'em high, they put 'em low. The jam is so hot, you wanna make it as your ringtone. You put 'em high, they put 'em low. The jam is so hot, you wanna make it as your ringtone.
2, 3.
Never, not once did you think you had a purpose. Gang dog, I feel you walk the same circle. I was screaming so bad until I turned purple. I was calling their names and dog, they was hurting. Drop that, hang that, put that in your flashback. You hit rock bottom, I consider this your comeback. Oh, man, dog.
Right now, this is what we're talking about. During the action of movement. What I want you to understand is that you have to take on the responsibility of this movement.
Question like, man, what happened? Tell them. You got a new
So the event,
the old stone.
this group of men have the honor and integrity
You don't have
who
to
are
put
worthy of
yourself on
respect
silent
as
mode.
a
You
part
got
of
a
the
range
Rangers.
on the
We
chill,
thank you,
got
we
the
truly
down
want to
low.
give you our authority, so hold on.
They put 'em low. The jam is so hot, you wanna make it as your ringtone. You put 'em high, they put 'em low. The jam is so hot, you wanna make it as your ringtone.
Is to see you go out here and you describe the word.
Put 'em low. The jam is so hot, you wanna make it as your ringtone. The jam is so hot, you wanna make it as your ringtone. You heard the 1 and 2, now it's all
See,
you.
society has this concept that, man, dog, she is done.
If you never knew.
And I'm thinking to myself, hey, why can't she do like
Sitting high, sitting
a...
pretty in the big boy pants, looking good.
DC has a message for y'all!
Lastly, yo, let me see your ringtone. Not the one from the cell, but the one on the throne. He the truth, man, you should already know. Enough said, man, we about to bring this home. So if you found your ringtone, then put it up. If you got your ringtone, then turn it up. If your ringtone is hot, then burn it up. Make this song your ringtone and live it up. You put 'em high, they put 'em low. The jam is so hot, you wanna make it as your ringtone. You put 'em high, they put 'em low. The jam is so hot, you wanna make it as your ringtone.